All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. All right, so today's live stream will be quick, probably 10 to 15 minutes. We really haven't seen much change in the market. I mean, everything is pretty much crashing. BTC is crashing. A lot of people are predicting, it'll go to, let's look at the price now. Let's take a look. All right, so BTC is at 91. A lot of people are predicting it'll break 90,000, and which is just suggesting that the cycle's different, and that will most likely November will probably be a down month. But there's a lot of positive catalysts coming. We have like the Clarity Act. A lot of legislation for crypto is around the corner. So if October historically was bullish, and November as well, and we've now seen that November's not over just yet. We still have like 17 or 16 days left in November. But if November ends up being bearish, this would definitely be different, because this is the year after the halving, where we expect everything to go parabolic towards the end of the year. And if the most bullish months, October, November, are bearish, then it does really suggest that this cycle is different, on top of the fact that we've seen a break in BTC all-time high before the halving. So, yeah, I mean, not much has happened with the market today. I haven't seen anything on the government shutdown is done, right? But no new news on the interest rate cuts. We're gonna get some new economic data here pretty soon. I believe Thursday, some job data. So that will be helpful if it comes in bad. Remember, the goal of the Fed is to make sure employment is up. So if employment is doing bad, then it would just make them want to, or suggest that we need some more interest rate cuts. So a bad report Thursday on job numbers would suggest that we need to lower interest rates. So that'll be good for the market, even though it would be bad for people that they can't get a job, right? And then Wednesday, we have a big day for earnings. NVIDIA will be reporting earnings. NVIDIA is always the top company to watch out for. It's the most valuable company right now. So I believe it's the most valuable company right now. And everybody pays attention to NVIDIA earnings. This is going to be really good for the AI sector. I know a lot of people are saying we're in a bubble, but I don't think that's the case. Google just made a huge investment, and I think we are going to we'll see what happens Wednesday with earnings. I believe it's going to be really good, like always. But remember, the market always sells off when NVIDIA reports good earnings. We remember that back in September, they reported good earnings and the market tanked. So who knows? It may be different. The market's already taken a huge tank, so I'm not sure. It may have the opposite effect this time. But I think going towards the end of November, we're going to see positive price action in the crypto market. I think right now, again, we're just shaking out the weak hands and getting people out. Not a lot of people thought when we were at 120, we broke 120 for the second time. Not a lot of people thought we would be at 90,000. So it's either somebody's knows something in the background, or somebody's trying to shake, institutions are trying to shake people out. Whales are trying to shake people out. So we'll see, right? And if we take a look at the stock market, I haven't taken a look at the stock market yet, but let's see. Yeah, stock market is red. It makes sense. NASDAQ is down, New York stock, everything is red. I don't know if you can see, but it's just red all over. And the same for crypto. I mean, not one stock. It looks like Tesla's up today, 4%. Wow, Tesla's at $400. That's crazy. So in the last, let's say in the last month. So in the last month, it looks like, or the last 3 months, September, it looks like Tesla moved up pretty well. Okay. That's pretty much it for the update for the market. We really haven't seen much. There's this thing with like Venezuela. I think like the U.S. is like surrounding Venezuela because of all the illegal activity and things like that. So that's some news that we may want to pay attention to. I don't think we'll go to war or anything with Venezuela, but it is good to pay attention to that type of stuff because that can always impact our economy and things like that. These scam callers are always calling. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's play a couple games of chess. I think I'm just going to do two today and then call it a day because there's really not much going on in the market. But I go live Monday, so I can't break the cycle. I mean, I could, but then, um, you know, people people would wonder. No, I don't mind. I like going live 3 times a week. It's not much. Before it felt like a lot, but now, I mean, after you do it for a while, it's really not much work. All right, I think I'm gonna attack the middle here. Uh, hmm. Ah, lost that piece. Darn it! I wasn't paying attention. Yep, he got it. Now he's gonna be real careful. He got it. He got it. All right, I messed that one up. He wants to do a rematch. All right, last game. Last game. Do a 10-minute stream. I'm trying to hit at least 10 minutes. I should be able to. Should be able to. There you go. Oh man, I didn't see that. I feel like I could still win this though. Um, I feel like I could still win this. Oh, wow. Another one. All right. This first time. All right, do one more. That was too quick. Let's see if he wants to run it back. All right, last one. Last one. Last one. I got to get a W here. Oh, Lord. That's crazy. Uh, I'm playing so bad. There we go. There we go. Oof. Tell me how I saved this game. It's crazy. Oof. That's crazy how I saved this game. That is nuts. Wow. I can't believe I won that. All right, I ended with a W. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Yeah, the market is pretty much just red all over today. Stocks, crypto, and I think it's just the market is just deviating from its original cycle. Everybody's used to the 4-year cycle, and I think a lot of people were catching on. So it just makes sense that the market's just switching it up. But more to come. We'll see what the job market data gives us Thursday, and we'll see what Nvidia earnings gives us Wednesday. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.